Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Fix adhesives. Easy Fix products are designed to simplify your repair and installation tasks, providing a strong bond with minimal effort. These versatile adhesives are perfect for a wide range of projects, from securing household items to more substantial construction work. They offer a convenient and efficient way to achieve lasting results, saving you both time and energy on your projects. Proper preparation is crucial for optimal adhesion. First, thoroughly clean your surfaces, ensuring they are completely dry and free of any contaminants like dust or oil. If using a powder adhesive, gradually add approximately 150 milliliters of water per 1 kilogram of powder, mixing until smooth. Let it sit for 5 minutes to activate polymers, then remix for about 15 seconds. Now for application. Use a notched trowel to spread the adhesive evenly across your surface, holding it at a 45-degree angle. For larger items, consider back buttering for full coverage. It is vital to achieve 100% contact between the adhesive and both surfaces. Place your item firmly into the wet adhesive, adjusting as needed within the product's specified open time. After application, allow the adhesive to cure properly. Most Easy Fix adhesives require at least 24 hours before they can withstand foot traffic or heavy loads. Promptly clean any surplus adhesive from your surfaces and between joints using water before it hardens. Remember to protect your newly fixed items from extreme conditions, like freezing or rain, during the initial curing period for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.